Good morning, guys. This is Chris with Dentless Touch. Today we're working on a Dodge 2500 pickup. Let me show you actually the damage. Ooh, that's a nasty dent. Limited access. So that's a limited access. We're going to try to do all glue. So let's get started. How you doing, guys? I get asked sometimes, how long does it take me to do the repair? So I'm gonna give you that information in the video. But also, I want you guys to know that this is not the only vehicle that I'm working on today. So we have the truck, and then we have a hail car, and you guys can see this day. So it's a little hard for me to film sometimes, but I try my best. So we had to move this truck out, move a couple cars in. Actually, what you saw wasn't even a hail car, so that was another car that we're working on the hood for, hood on, and then the fender, and then this truck. So where I'm at with this truck right now is I need to take off the interior trim. The glue is just not pulling this edge up, so I'm hopeful that I can actually get this interior panel right here. Hopefully there's some access that I can get a tool to this particular dent. If not, I'll just be glue pulling for days. So stay tuned. R&I all of this area right here. I am actually gonna go through one of these holes right here. Right there, hopefully you guys can see that. But that's where I'm gonna create access right there. So I've already got on the dent. I've already got on the dent with the tool that I want, so hopefully I can just get that center up. And let me show you maybe a better job. So I need to pull that center up right there, or we're not getting anywhere. So once I pull that up, I can probably glue pull the rest, so we'll see.